Ang aking suhestyon lamang na in our adoption of the federal state for the Bangsamoro and Sharia will be respected. Huwag naman sana na yung pamamaraan ng Sharia kung saan ang mga magnanakaw putulan ng kamay. Nako, maraming mga singkol na dyan sa Kongreso o ibang mga putulan o puro na. Huwag naman ganoon. Sapagkat, another example, stoning women caught in adultery. Pinapayagan nila yan doon sa Middle East, fundamentalist countries where Sharia is allowed. But we cannot allow these things, cutting of the hand, stoning of women to death, because we follow certain principles in our national constitution, which is the cruel and unusual punishment is not allowed. And therefore, hindi po pwede yung gano'n ng mga tipo. So, but short of that, sure, payagan natin na in the settlement of their disputes, Sharia will govern the way of life in controversies involving Muslim versus Muslim. Sharia will apply in their area. Muslim versus Christian, national law will apply. IPs versus Christian, IPs versus Muslim, national law will apply, even in the Bangsamoro federal state.